Stick to your content calendar by learning how to schedule your blog posts in Wix. So once you're done creating your blog, click the three-dot button right over here and click on Schedule Post. On this pop-up, select the date you wish to publish your content and then indicate the time of when you'd like it to be published. Then click Schedule, and your blog post will automatically be published on that exact date and time so you can then focus on other important tasks. That's all for today, guys. Hope this video was helpful. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.